Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. We hustle, but the night. Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. We hustle, but the night. Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.
Alright, what's going on today, guys? Hopefully this audio is working. I've been fighting for the last like week or whatever trying to get my audio to work for my camera. As you can see, I have a third-person camera, or one facing me at least, and I'm gonna try and do more videos like this since I had to buy a new camera. I wound up buying the GoPro Hero 9 originally, and my mic adapter wasn't working with it, and I tried 3 different mics. I tried all this other stuff. It was a brand new one that I had just bought because I broke the one that I'm using right now. We'll get onto that here in just a second. But I tried literally all day to try and get the microphone to work, and it wasn't working. I got pissed off. I decided to go return it and go back and get the GoPro Hero 10 because that's what most moto vloggers have been using. So, and it seemed like it just plugged in and everything else. There was no extra shit. So this morning I did that, plugged in the mic adapter, plugged in the microphone, still wasn't working. So I wind up going home, right? And I'm messing around with it, and eventually I'm like, okay, I plugged the old one in and it wasn't reading on the GoPro Hero 9, whatever. As a desperate hope, I went ahead and plugged it into the GoPro Hero 10, and miraculously it showed up. So I plugged in the mic, and when I plugged in the mic, I did a little test video and the mic worked. So naturally I was like, there's no way this mic adapter is broken, okay? The one that I just plugged in, the old one that I broke because the GoPro Hero 7 wasn't reading that it was even plugged in. And like I broke it to where the metal shielding or whatever, where you plug it in, that just came completely out. So I went ahead and ordered a new one. And so now I found out that the new one is faulty by default. So I got a new one coming in. I'm gonna send that one back. Hopefully I'll have a new mic adapter by then. It's supposed to come in on Tuesday. Hopefully it'll work with everything, but hopefully this is going to be the camera setup for everything now. So since I got the GoPro Hero 10, I'm going to do kind of like a comparison in this video versus the GoPro Hero 7, see how the quality is, see how it is to edit the video and everything else. But altogether I spent almost $400 or $500 on this camera alone, which sucks when it was just a mic adapter issue. But like I said, the old one wasn't hooking up to the Hero 9, so I don't know what was going on with it. But right now, hopefully the audio is working. I've been trying to get this to work. I've made 2 or 3 videos and none of them have audio. So I've just been very frustrated, especially with everything that's been going on in my life and trying to get a new bike and everything else. So this camera set me back a little bit, but we'll persevere. We will get through it. It's whatever. I was wanting to do this kind of setup anyway. On the new bike, I want to have a rear-facing camera as well. So I guess if this is working, we will go ahead and I'll try and tell you what I've been trying to tell you guys for the last 2-3 weeks. So this year is going to be a really big year. I got a feeling that this is going to be the best year yet for the channel, for me, like all together. So in March, we are planning on going to Chicago. And I don't know if Logan's still going. He said that he originally was wanting to get a new bike before he went, because he doesn't want to ride his Ninja 250 all the way down there. Which is fully understandable. You probably shouldn't be riding a 250 on the highway. Because it'll wind up thinning out the oil, because you're running 75, 80 mile an hour, and you don't have much room to pass anybody or anything like that. So I definitely want to see him get a new bike before we go, regardless whether or not Logan goes, and I think Eli's down. So regardless whether or not either one of them go, I'm still going to try and go. I think I have enough money saved up to be able to do this, and I have a little bit of an opportunity in Chicago, and I'm hoping that's still on. I'll have to talk about it when I get there. Also, when we go to Chicago, I don't have a laptop or anything, so all the videos I'm going to stockpile, and then once I get back home, I'm going to do the whole grind and start editing all the footage I have and uploading it for you guys. After that, we are planning on, well, after that, I'm planning on going to Import Face Off in, oh hell, I can't remember. I think it's April, out in Hebron, Ohio. Hopefully this time we won't get rained out. Hopefully this time we will actually have some drag races. So that should be a pretty cool video for you guys. And hopefully in Chicago we'll be able to get into some of the bike life rides and really see how Chicago gets down. Like I am so excited and so nervous to get to Chicago, but I'm sure once I get there it'll be like, I'll be perfectly fine. It's just nerve-wracking with what I have planned up there. But it should be a good time. You guys should enjoy it. It should be really fun, a really good experience. I need the vacation anyway, because honestly, work just isn't, the work isn't great, man. Like, most people can understand that. God damn, what road did I go down? I don't know what road this is. But, and hopefully the wind's not too bad. With the GoPro mic adapter plugged in, it for some reason doesn't let me change the wind noise. It just says NA, just like the camera mic is what it says, is just NA or whatever. But hopefully everything is working correctly. Hopefully this isn't too bad to edit. But I just wanted to do a small video for you guys, just to update you with what's going on this year. 2023 is going to be our year, man. Like, I am insanely excited. I'm supposed to be planning on getting a new bike this next month, because I don't want to ride this down to Chicago. It runs a little iffy. It's very temperamental. So I don't want to ride it down there and it break down halfway there, or wind up breaking when I get there or on the way back, because it's a 6-7 hour ride all the way up there, at least if you do the speed limit. I usually ride with earbuds and that sounded amazing. I can't, dude, I love the sound of this bike so much. I absolutely love this bike. Alright guys, I think this is going to be the end of the video. Hopefully everybody enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. We have a lot of things planned this year, man. Like, please, like, just dude, I am insanely excited for all of it. It's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be great. But let me know down in the comments if you like the GoPro 10 better. Which, I mean, I really don't have a choice on whether or not I can use this versus that, since the mic adapter won't work on it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.